What if the most valuable resource on Earth wasn't gold or oil, but time? What if you could learn anything, overnight? Imagine waking up and realizing you can speak a language you've never heard. A digital download, straight into your consciousness. No practice, no training, just find the file and install the skill. In this world, mastery is no longer a journey of decades, it's a matter of minutes. Today, mastering a skill is a brutal process. You are literally rewiring your brain through sheer force of will. It is slow, it is painful, and for most of us, it is the primary barrier to our potential. But artificial intelligence is changing everything. We are beginning to understand intelligence itself. AI doesn't just process data, it maps patterns. We are beginning to decode the very language of learning. Researchers are now breaking intelligence down into its core, measurable components. Learning is no longer a vague concept. We are seeing the code of the human mind, the specific neural firing patterns responsible for memory and reasoning. If intelligence can be reduced to data, then why can't that data be transferred? We already sync phones and update software. Why should the human biological computer be any different? Imagine capturing the exact neural firing patterns of a grandmaster chess player or a world-class surgeon, and then installing those same patterns into your brain. You are adopting the neural structure of mastery. A skill that takes a lifetime to perfect, today could be acquired in the time it takes to download a movie. The barrier between knowing and doing disappears. We become a species that can update its own capabilities. Super AI acts as the ultimate bridge, decoding the complexity of one human mind and translating it for another. It would be the librarian of all human skill, ready to be checked out and installed by anyone, anywhere. Athletes, musicians, scientists. The collective knowledge of humanity becomes a shared library. But what do we lose? If mastery is bought, what happens to the value of effort? What happens to the pride of the struggle? If my skills are just files I downloaded, who am I? What happens to identity when we can swap talents like clothes? Will intelligence become a luxury, where those with wealth can simply buy a superior mind? Will we split into two species, the enhanced and the natural? We are playing with the core of humanity. For centuries, we have respected the journey of learning as much as the destination of mastery. But that journey is about to change. What happens when we stop training the human brain and start programming it? The question isn't just if we can do it. The question is, would you? Would you install a skill into your brain? Let us know.